Well, we started a little late in the afternoon, and as you can see, we're still holding fine at about 250. We're a little above, not much, 156. Let's take a peek at what we've got. Nice color, looking very nice there. Took my InstaRead thermometer and jabbed it in there a few times just to make sure the probe was working fine. And we still hit about 155 or so. It's late, so I'm going to put this in the crock pot to finish it off. I hate doing this, but you just can't stay up all night. And I figured it should have been done about 1, no later than 2 in the morning. At the time, it sounded pretty good. Figure about an hour and a half per pound, 7 pounds. But after a full day of work and everything else, I'm tired. So we're going to let the crock pot take over.